everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 720 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product from my January 2020 Ipsy Glam bag, and if you haven't seen my unbagging of that, I did a double video of my regular glam bag and my Glam Bag Ultimate in one unboxing video, so I will have the link to that video in the description down below if you want to see it. But the product that I'm trying out today is from a brand that I've never tried before and that I've never even heard of, which I love when I get to try out new brands from Ipsy. This is the brand Beauty for Real, and it's the Lip Gloss and Shine in the shade Nudist. And so this says it's a high shine hydrating gloss that has a minty feel that's so refreshing. It's infused with aloe vera, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and green tea extract to moisturize and protect the lips. And this is a deluxe sample size, and the full-size version retails for $18. So I love that it has all those beneficial ingredients in it. Like, my lips need it. My lips are always so dry. And if my lip gloss can be beautiful and healthy on my lips, then that is exactly what I need to wear. And this looks like such a pretty shade. I'm really into tinted lip glosses these days. So let me start out by swatching. Ooh. Yes, it's a very subtle amount of color, but I do see the tint of that nude pink. It definitely smells minty. And it smells like real mint. Like if you were to smell a mint leaf on like a mint plant. Ooh, that's nice. All right. I'm really excited to see how this looks. And it has a doe foot applicator. This is a smaller version, but that probably means that the larger version also has a doe foot applicator, which I love for applying lip products. Oh my gosh, such high shine, wow. Adding a second layer. Oh my gosh, I'm like, how did they get it to be so shiny? I'm gonna do a zoomed in view so you can see how truly insanely shiny this is. Wow, I love it. And it does have that refreshing, cooling mint feeling, but not in that like plumping, cooling effect type of way. More just like a refreshing cold. But wow, so shiny. I cannot say that enough, but it's also very comfortable and hydrating on my lips, which were so dry. They just needed moisture. I couldn't wait any longer to put a product on my lips, and this completely soothed them. Wow. It's like completely hydrating, so enhancing to the lips too. Something this shiny helps the lips look, you know, obviously very moisturized, but also it kind of gives the illusion of like fuller lips because of how shiny they are. Wow. I don't really see any color difference, but that is fine. This would be a great lip topper if you really want to add that high shine to any lip color. But I just love how it looks on its own too. This is seriously so pretty. And it's not sticky. It's a nice thick layer on the lips, so it feels very smooth. Wow, like this is definitely a go-to lip gloss. I'm going to continue wearing this throughout the day. I'm gonna bring this with me when I go out. I am going out to dinner, so I'll see how this does through eating and drinking. Lip glosses don't really last without coming off, so I may have to reapply it. But I will let you know in the description down below my wear test results of how well this lasted, if my lips were extra hydrated from all of those nourishing ingredients. So make sure you check the description for that information. But wow, ooh, I love this lip gloss. I'm so impressed. Very impressed by this Beauty for Real brand. So I'm definitely gonna have to do some research and figure out what other products they have that I wanna try. But if you have any recommendations of Beauty for Real products, I would love to hear about those in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.